What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking to y'all about my 2024 KX450, some modifications that I just had done to it. First, we're going to start off. We brought a brand new FMF exhaust. We added a black seat cover on this, which is going to be Moose Racing. I also added a new front fender, which I got off Cycle Gear. And then I also added some Acerbe frame grips. So I'm going to walk y'all through each one of the parts that I installed. I already took out the spark resistor for the exhaust. So we're going to get a startup on the exhaust system and show y'all what it sounds like. You hear it? This thing sounds a lot better. It has a really deep chop on it. It's a lot more throaty. Y'all can hear what that sounds like. I know it's pretty loud. Yeah, it's definitely pretty loud. This is what it's gonna look like. We'll throw this back in there. If it'll focus. We're gonna throw this back in there, see how much quieter it makes it, to see if it makes it not so obnoxious. Because don't get me wrong, I like how it sounds, but I don't hate my neighbors. I don't know why I did that. That was interesting. That's what it sounds like with the spark resistor. You can tell it sounds a lot better.